You're about to see the coziest Christmas lip art of all times. If in the end you agree, leave me any Christmas emoji in the comments, okay? Deal? So you paint the wall, the window, the floors, the fireplace, the tree. Then you add the fire to the fireplace. You hang some Christmas socks on there and fill it in with black. Add a Christmas wreath and decorate everything with candles and baubles. While you're feeling cozy in this Christmas room, don't forget about that emoji and follow me for more. Paint the most wintry New Yearish glitter lip art with me. Start by painting the black trees, applying glitter primer and the black glitter, then same with the blue trees, and then with the light blue trees. Go around the trees with a white liquid lipstick and then apply it in the middle to kind of make the glitter a little bit less of a mess. I mean, it still is, but at least less. Apply the iridescent white glitter. Apply the blue and glittery tooth polish for fun and double tap to spread happiness on holidays. Stained glass lip art, but make it Christmas. Outline the lip shape, draw the stained glass pieces, fill them in with all the Christmas colors: red, green, gold, silver, lots of glitter, metallics. Add the glitter tooth polish. Save to recreate and see way more holiday makeup ideas on my page. A patchwork lip art with traditional Russian New Year celebration, some glitter makeup, Father Frost who gives children presents for New Year, some traditional food includes sparkling wine and bread with caviar, then there's of course the New Year tree, all decorated with holiday lights and baubles, probably with snowflakes. And now tell me about your holiday traditions. Happy New Year! Snowman New Year lip art, paint the lips with white lipstick, apply light blue for an ombre, glitter primer to both lips and lots of iridescent white glitter, cover the lips with foundation. Now paint the writing and have a very happy new year. If you want to make mine happy, follow for more.